So hello and welcome to this quick Adobe Animate tutorial, and in this video I would like to show you the camera tool. One thing that I want to say is that I created this kind of HTML5 animated banner with the camera tool, and I'm going to put the link in the description because in that tutorial I also explain how you can achieve the same thing without the camera tool with the scale. But in this tutorial I just want to show you where is the camera and so on. So I will go to the Adobe Animate and I'm going to choose our width and height, which is going to be 600 by 400. The reason for this is that I have the Illustrator file which I can provide you, but you can work with anything, and I have the Illustrator file the same size, 600 by 400. So I will go to the place where I have this, so I will go in here and I am just going to drag this like so, and yeah, I can provide you this, but yeah, and I'm going to just click import, so I do not need to change anything, and yeah, so I am going to have this like so. I have this from the site Freepik, and I can also put the link in the description, and in this tutorial I showed you how you can get this from the Freepik and so on, but yeah, you can work with any vector or anything. Now, if I would like to use the camera tool, I can go to my tools and I do not see the camera tool. And by the way, I am in the window workspace essentials, but yeah, but there are these three dots, and this can like change in a time, but yeah, but if I click edit toolbar, I am going to have the option for the camera tool in here, and you can see that there is a shortcut C. But if I try to double click on the camera, nothing is going to happen. Okay, so maybe if I drag it to the stage, no, nothing is going to happen. Okay, maybe if I drag it to the where are my layers, like so, no, nothing is going to happen. So how can we get this camera? It took me some time to get this, but yeah, one of the options is to use the shortcut, which is going to be just C, and it is going to create you the camera. But I am going to delete this because what I can do is I can click this edit toolbar, and right now if I have the camera in here, I can just drag it to the toolbar like so, and you are going to have the possibility to get it like so. You want to be in between of the tools, so I can go maybe in here like so, and I'm going to just leave my mouse. Right now it is going to automatically create me the camera. I can delete this, but right now when I have this in here like so, I can click on this and it is going to create me the camera. And now with the camera, it's very simple. If you just want to zoom in, you are going to go to the right like so, and if you cannot see things outside of the stage, there is this clip content outside of the stage, but yeah, and imagine that I would like to have the animation from left to the right, so I can just go like this. If I go to the left with my mouse, it will go to the left like so, and I will have to extend the vector, so I can go maybe to frame 50, and I'm going to click F5 to extend this, and on the camera tool I am going to create new keyframe, F6, or you can right click, insert the keyframe and insert frame to extend the timeline. And in here on the camera tool I can move to the right like so, for example, and there, and all I need to do is right click and create classic twin, and basically right now if I go with Control Enter, Command Enter, I am going to have this kind of animation like so. So yeah, basically this is it. I just wanted to show you the camera tool like so. And if you do not want to have your camera anymore in here, what you could do is you can click this edit toolbar and you can drag your camera away like so, and it is going to go away, and you are not longer going to have this in here, but yeah. So yeah, I am going to provide you this Illustrator file. It can like these vectors are pretty complex, or there is a possibility that your animate may be a little bit slow or it may crash, but yeah, I will provide you a link in the description for this tutorial. I will put a link in the description for the Freepik, but yeah, this is it. This is all. Thank you very much and goodbye.